ceramic artists! Welcome back to Bailey Pottery. Today we're getting hands-on and teaching you how to mix up AMACO's brand new dipping and layering glazes, available online at our store. Before we dive in, let's gather everything we'll need. We have our bag of AMACO dipping and layering glaze. Next we'll need safety gear, so put on your respirator. We'll also be using half a gallon of distilled water, so grab your jug. Now for mixing, we'll have buckets and a talisman sieve, and a drill with a jiffler mixer attachment. And finally, to keep track of time, let's grab a cell phone. Before we begin, safety first. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including an NIOSH rated respirator for dust particles and safety glasses. First, add half a gallon of distilled water to the bucket. Then pour the entire bag of AMACO dipping and layering glaze into the container. Next step, thoroughly mix the glaze for at least 15 minutes using a drill with a mixer attachment. This ensures all the glaze powder is fully incorporated into the water. These innovative glazes are perfect for creating stunning layered effects on your ceramic pieces, and they're also incredibly convenient and cost-effective. After mixing, screen the glaze through an 80 US standard sieve to remove any lumps or particles. We use our talisman sieve, which makes light work of this sieving process. Once you've mixed and sieved your glaze, patience is key. Cover the bucket and let the glaze sit undisturbed for a minimum of 24 hours. This allows the glaze to fully hydrate and reach its optimal consistency. After 24 hours, your glaze is ready for testing. Here we're doing a test dip to assess the glaze's thickness and compatibility with our bisqueware. Once dipped, fire your test piece to cone 5 or 6. This will reveal the final appearance and characteristics of the glaze on your chosen clay body. That's it for today, ceramic friends. For even more tips and tricks, check out the link in the description below to our blog post on baileypottery.com. Happy glazing! Don't forget to visit our online store for AMACO glazes and friendly advice.